Mustafa from Sweden.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, since we know that the 13th of Dhul Hijjah we cannot fast, so can we replace that on the 16th, starting from 14th, 15th, 16th?
It is up to you whether you want to replace it or not, but definitely it's not part of the Sunnah, and it's not part of the white days. The white days are limited to 13th, 14th, and 15th. So by default, the 13th, it is not permissible for you to fast because it's part of Ayyam al-Tashriq. So if you fast the 2 days, 14th and the 15th, and you had a prior habit of fasting the white days every month, Allah Azza wa Jal will grant you the same reward even if you miss the 13th.